I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful Genoa-Style Veal Roulade that I'll serve with Delicata squash, Tokyo turnips, and a Tapenade Coulis. The first thing I'm going to do is prepare my veal. I'm using European veal tenderloin for this dish because we want a perfectly tender cut of meat that we can roll around our filling. I need to trim the tenderloin first, and remember, you can use all of those pieces of trim for a ground meat application. Butterfly the veal open lengthwise, then pound the veal to about 1/3 of an inch thick. Next, we'll make the Genoa-style herb filling for our roulade. Combine a chiffonade of basil and parsley with extra virgin olive oil, pine nuts, salt, and white pepper. Spread the mixture on one side of the veal, then tightly roll up the veal using caul fat and secure it with twine. Set this aside to rest. To make the Tapenade Coulis, place olives, capers, and mustard in a blender, and while the motor is running, add olive oil until you have a smooth, paste-like texture. The briny, savory, and tangy flavor of the coulis is a delicious contrast to the richness of the veal. Now we'll cook off our veal. Heat a couple of tablespoons of olive oil in a roasting pan and place the veal in the pan. We want to brown the outside of the veal as evenly as we can. And then place the pan in a 350-degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes until the veal is done and the center has reached 135 degrees. Remove the twine and let the veal rest for about 5 minutes. Cut the veal roulade into 2-inch sections. You can see the slices reveal our beautiful emerald green herb filling. Now we'll go ahead and assemble our dish. I'll make a smear of Tapenade Coulis on the plate. I'll add sautéed turnip greens, a few rings of sweet Delicata squash, some nice and tender glazed Tokyo turnips, and finally, I'll rest a couple of slices of veal roulade. Your guests will love the beautiful presentation of this veal roulade.